We're going to continue, boys and girls, with our work looking at picture graphs. And we're going to look at this picture graph. And again, the difference between a picture graph and a bar graph is that the picture graph actually has some sort of picture. We're going to use this picture graph, and again, here's the title of the graph right here. We have the names of the children who participated: Ryan, Gwen, Anna, and Henry. And what we're looking at is it says, the key says each book stands for one book. So each picture stands for one book. So we're going to take a look and let's answer some of the questions as we look at this picture graph. How many books did Henry and Anna read? So we're going to count how many Henry and Anna read together. So Henry read 1, 2, 3 books. Anna read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books. Gwen read 2 books. And Ryan read 4 books. So I always like to put those numbers at the end. They kind of help us see our totals. So again, our question, how many books did Henry and Anna read? So let's add Anna's total and Henry's total, and we get 6 plus 3, which we all know is 9. How many more? Mr. Daniel's favorite question. How many more books did Ryan read than Gwen? So here's Ryan, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's Gwen. So when we're trying to figure out how many more Ryan read, we're looking at these are equal. These two are equal. These two are equal. This would be 1 more. This would be 2 more. So Ryan read 2 more books than Gwen. And here are the 2 books, this one and this one. This is an equal amount. They both read 1. They both read 2. And then Ryan read 3, 4. So he read 2 more. How many fewer books did Gwen read than Anna? So let's take a look at Gwen and Anna. Anna read quite a few books. She read 6 books. So how many fewer books did Gwen read than Anna? Well, let's take a look. We have equal to, equal to. This is 1 fewer, 2 fewer, 3 fewer, 4 fewer books. Or we could have simply said 6 minus 2, which will give us 4. How many books did the 4 children read? So that's great. That's a great question. That's again why I like to place our totals at the very end. Does anyone see a 10 there? I see a 10 right away. I looked and I saw 4 plus 6, which I know is 10. And then I know that 2 plus 3 is 5. And so we have 15 books read in total. Good job. We'll continue this work.